As we immerse ourselves further into the intricate world of chocolate production, it becomes evident that this delectable treat is not merely a product of meticulous processing, but a reflection of the rich tapestry of human history. The story of chocolate intertwines with the ancient civilizations that revered it, the Mayans being the trailblazers who uncovered the secrets of the cacao tree. In their reverence for the cacao pod, they unwittingly became stewards of a legacy that would transcend time and geographic boundaries. The journey of chocolate is, in essence, a harmonious dance between nature's bounty and human ingenuity. From the equatorial embrace of cacao trees to the artisanal touch in chocolate factories, each step is a testament to the symbiotic relationship forged over millennia. The Mayans, guided by the serendipity of their geographic location, discovered the perfect conditions for cultivating cacao. These conditions, still replicated today in select equatorial regions, gift the world its primary source of cacao, perpetuating a tradition that echoes the reverence of ancient civilizations. The harvesting of cacao pods, a labor-intensive process, harks back to a time when every bean was cherished for its potential. The manual extraction of beans from the sticky pulp is a ritual that connects modern chocolate artisans to the meticulous practices of their predecessors. The intimate knowledge of the cacao tree's delicate nature and the recognition that the beans do not readily surrender themselves to the earth underscores the respect chocolate production pays to the essence of its origin. As the harvested beans undergo fermentation, enclosed within boxes adorned with banana leaves, a transformative alchemy takes place. This seemingly unassuming process is the crucible where flavors evolve from mere potential to a symphony of notes that define chocolate's distinct profile. It's a nod to the ancient wisdom that recognized the significance of fermentation, not just in purifying the beans, but in elevating them to their true potential. Sun-drying, the subsequent step in this age-old saga, is not merely a utilitarian act to remove moisture. It's a process that allows the cacao beans to absorb the essence of the sun and the equatorial climate, imbuing them with the very spirit of their origin. The journey of these beans, from the cacao-rich regions to global chocolate factories, echoes the resilience of a craft that has weathered centuries, connecting diverse cultures through a shared love for chocolate. Upon reaching the hallowed halls of chocolate factories, the beans undergo a scrutiny that transcends mere quality control. The meticulous inspection by quality assurance officers is a ritualistic affirmation of the commitment to excellence, ensuring that each bean carries forward the legacy of its origin. This moment of inspection is a bridge between tradition and modernity, where technological precision complements the intuitive knowledge passed down through generations. Roasting, the next stage in this symphonic process, is more than a utilitarian step to remove moisture. It's a sensory experience that transforms the beans into a palette of flavors. The dance of screens and cylinders, the controlled application of heat, and the release of myriad compounds within the cacao beans pay homage to the artistry inherent in chocolate making. It's a convergence of science and craft that defines the soul of the chocolate we savor. The winnowing process, within the enigmatic confines of the winnower, is akin to uncovering hidden gems within the earth. The separation of nibs from husks, accompanied by the gentle hum of machines, is a moment of revelation. These nibs, now liberated from their protective encasement, hold the promise of the chocolate they will become, a promise that is as much about honoring tradition as it is about embracing innovation. The grinding of these nibs into a dark brown paste, the chocolate liquor, is a sensory crescendo in the chocolate-making symphony. The transformation from solid nibs to a liquid essence is a metaphor for the fluidity of chocolate's evolution through time. This liquid, though resembling a thick syrup, is not just a precursor to the final product, but an embodiment of the very essence of chocolate. As we move into the subsequent stages of chocolate production, tempering, conching, and the addition of ingredients like powdered milk, sugar, or vanilla, the narrative expands into the intricate dance of flavors and textures. The melding of cocoa butter and chocolate liquor, the refinement of the chocolate's consistency, and the careful addition of complementary elements showcase the artistry that elevates chocolate from a mere commodity to a culinary masterpiece. Tempering, the process that imparts the chocolate its signature snap and glossy finish, is a meticulous endeavor that demands both patience and precision. It's a transformative moment when the chocolate undergoes a final metamorphosis, aligning its crystals in a harmonious composition that is as much a visual delight as it is a textural one. This step is emblematic of the perfectionist ethos that defines the chocolate-making craft. The pouring of the tempered chocolate into molds marks the culmination of this epic journey, a journey that traverses time, continents, and cultures. Each molded bar encapsulates not just the culmination of a complex production process, but the collective wisdom of those who have safeguarded the secrets of chocolate through generations. The final quality check, a meticulous examination for air bubbles and imperfections, is a final nod to the uncompromising commitment to excellence. These individually wrapped chocolate bars, though seemingly small, carry within them the weight of centuries of tradition, innovation, and craftsmanship. The annual production of 50 billion chocolate bars globally underscores the universal love affair with this divine creation. Each unwrapping is not just a moment of indulgence, it is a communion with a legacy that has endured, evolved, and enchanted through the ages. In conclusion, the journey of chocolate is a saga that transcends the boundaries of time and geography. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of human history and the resilience of a craft that has evolved without losing touch with its roots. From the equatorial groves where cacao trees sway to the rhythms of nature, to the bustling chocolate factories where modernity converges with tradition, every step in this journey is a celebration of the artistry, science, and cultural significance that define the world of chocolate. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey into the world of chocolate making. If you found this exploration delightful, hit like, subscribe for more tasty content, and share your thoughts below. Stay tuned for our next video, diving into another culinary wonder. Until then, may your days be as sweet as your favorite chocolate treat.